Best Dermarollers for perfect skin. Struggling with skin issues or wanting to boost your skincare routine? Here are the 5 best Dermarollers I found, and one you should definitely avoid. Product number 1. Rosalind Boutique Dermaroller. The Rosalind Boutique Dermaroller caught my attention right away, especially with its price of just $6.99. This versatile tool is designed for your face, hair, and beard, making it a great all-in-one beauty instrument. If you want a simple solution for enhancing your grooming routine, this is worth a serious look. Here's why this matters for you specifically. The 0.25mm titanium microneedles are safe and gentle, perfect for beginners or anyone with sensitive skin. You can use this roller on all skin types, and since it's compact and portable, you can take your skincare routine anywhere. With over 10,000 units bought in just the past month, it's clear that people are excited about this product. Number 2. The Beard Club Dermaroller. Next up is the Beard Club Dermaroller, priced at $7.99. What stood out to me is its ability to kickstart your beard journey while also being suitable for facial microneedling. If you want a quality tool that gives you salon-like results at home, you need to check this out. Equipped with 540 titanium-coated 0.25mm needles, this roller promises optimal performance and safety. It's versatile enough to be used on your face, scalp, or beard. Plus, it comes with a storage case to keep your roller safe and in great shape. With over 10,000 units sold this month, people clearly love it. Here's why this matters for you. The titanium needles reduce the risk of irritation while still providing effective results. Product number 3. ZMSDBY Microneedle Stamp. The ZMSDBY Microneedle Stamp, priced at $9.99, is an interesting alternative to traditional rollers. I liked how innovative the design is, especially for those looking to target specific areas. If you want a precise microneedling tool, this is worth looking into. With 0.25mm titanium needles, this stamp is beginner-friendly and designed for easy use. The unique non-slip handle gives you great control, which is crucial if you're working on delicate areas. It's portable too, making it easy to fit into your travel routine. The fact that it's been bought over 10,000 times this month shows that many are intrigued by its unique approach. Product number 4. Rosalind Boutique Microneedle Roller. Next is another offering from Rosalind Boutique, priced at $7.49. This microneedle roller is very similar to their first product, but offers a few tweaks. If you're after a versatile tool for facial, hair, and beard use, this one should catch your eye. Like the other Rosalind model, it features 0.25mm needles that are safe and gentle, making it ideal for beginners. The ergonomic design ensures you can easily handle it at home, and it's made from high-quality materials, promising durability. With over 7,000 purchases this past month, it's clear that it has a following. Here's why this matters. You don't want something that'll break after a few uses, and this offers reliability. Product number 5, Koi Beauty Microneedle Roller. Finally, we have the Koi Beauty Microneedle Roller, priced at $9.97. This product really impressed me with its advanced titanium needles and how easy it is to use. If you want a reliable roller that feels premium in your hands, this is definitely worth considering. The 540 microneedles are designed to resist bending and rust, meaning you can trust it for long-term use. It has a frosted texture grip that adds comfort and control, making it perfect for beginner and experienced users alike. With 5,000 units sold recently, it's gaining traction among skincare enthusiasts. Here's why this matters. Consistent use can lead to improved skin texture and reduced signs of aging. So, to recap, we've looked at the Rosalind Boutique Dermaroller, the Beard Club Dermaroller, ZMSDBY Microneedle Stamp, another Rosalind Boutique option, and the Koi Beauty Microneedle Roller.